We're here for the Fintech Week to see how we can create values for our country, Nigeria, using financial technology, how we can help solve the myriad of problems that Nigeria is encountering today. And we believe that we have the right human resources in this country, to make Nigeria a better place to live in.
There are many ways we have connections between these two sectors, the blockchain and the fintech sector. You see that, for example, blockchain is playing a vital role in the payment sector when you talk about what it's doing in the area of cryptocurrency. But away from cryptocurrencies, there are other ways blockchain is playing a major role in the fintech sector.
Okay, so I think fintech is here to make things more seamless than it used to be. So look at the outbreak of the COVID. You know how things were done more online than offline. So I think it's here to make our lives better. Even in terms of communication too, it's here to make things way better for us and make life easier.
If you want to expose your product, to see that the next morning you have 1 million subscribers, your app is downloaded 1 million times, please come to Kano and get 1 or 2 subscribers. I guarantee you this. Because do you know one thing? We make babies. We have a lot of people there and they are waiting.
I think that payment has become borderless. I think there is no limit to payment now. I think payment has moved from just paying day to day to being our lifestyle. It's changing our lifestyle pattern. It's changing the way we see the world. And it's also showing that payment is now mobile. The next place I see in payment, which is all adopted all over the world and it's coming to Africa very rapidly, is contactless. I don't need any hardware to touch each other to make any payment again. So the future of payments will continue to grow and become bigger and bigger, and it's only for the key stakeholders to key into the opportunity.
No matter how good your idea is, if you are not positioning your business properly, or you're not communicating properly, or you're not running it properly, that business may likely collapse. So we find that lack of the skill set to run business is one of the major challenges that we normally face.
The future of payments, really, it's fintech. We can see the gradual progression from 20 years back to where we currently are, and we can still see that the market is yet unsaturated. The number of people that are still financially excluded, it's quite high if you look at the Nigerian space. And fintechs are essentially those drivers that can take financial inclusion to the last mile, that is to the last customer. So obviously you can see that there's a room for more innovations, there's a room for a lot of improvement in terms of technology, in terms of innovation, in terms of better ideas to enable these drives.
The role of SoftPay in the fintech space is to address the ecosystem or the market that has been underserved. Most fintech solutions out there actually focuses on the end user, which they are the consumers. But there's a big player in that industry that's going to be underserved, which are the corporate entities or the businesses. Solutions are not developed to suit their needs. The focus has always been to collect monies from the end users. So what SoftPay has come to do is to focus on that business, or focus on the businesses around, from individual businesses to startup businesses, groups and associations. They are mostly underserved. So that is what SoftPay has come to know.
So the role that InCash plays in the fintech sector is that we are a salary on demand platform. That sounds so amazing. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to create salaries on demand through InCash. With technology, everything is coming on demand. Like Uber is taxi on demand, Jumia is shopping on demand. In a similar fashion, we are trying to bring salaries on demand with InCash.
Credo is a payment gateway, which means we solve collection problems for merchants of different sizes. So whether you're an enterprise with a big business at a large firm, or you are an SME, we have a solution for you.